So this is a common question for many students. First of all, mod x. How mod x is equal to minus x? This is a very common question, right? So first of all, understand what is mod x. Mod x, or absolute value of x, is the distance of x from 0, right? So let us say this is 0. If this is 5, mod 5 is equal to 5. If this is minus 5, then also the mod 5 is equal to 5 only, because it is a distance. So as we have studied, if x is mod, let us say the y is mod x, right? It can never be negative because it is just a distance. So how this is coming to be negative? This is the doubt. First of all, understand, is this negative? Is minus x negative? No. We cannot say whether minus x is negative or positive unless you know the value of x, right? For example, if x is 5, minus x is negative? Yes, because minus of x is negative. If x is 0, is minus x negative? No, because minus of 0 is 0 only, which is not negative. If x is minus 2, is minus x negative? No, because minus of minus 2, I am taking x equal to minus 2. In that case, minus of x is equal to 2, which is positive. To understand like this, first of all, this minus x is not negative. We do not know whether it's negative or positive if you see only this, right? So what you have to do? What you have to do here, you have to just find the value of, because we know mod x is always positive or equal to 0. So here they are saying mod x is minus x. So minus x, as per the question, as per the condition, minus x is more than equal to 0. If you solve, you will get x is less than equal to 0. It means from the statement 1 we can say the value of x is less than or equal to 0. Either it is negative or 0. Do not think it is incorrect, right? It is always correct. But from this you have to see what can be the value of x. For example, if the question says mod x is equal to x, so in that case you know x mod x is more than equal to 0. So you have to write x is more than equal to 0. This is the condition. Mod x is minus x, then minus x is more than equal to 0, or x is less than equal to 0. This is the condition. So always remember like this, mod x can be equal to negative of a variable. It cannot be negative, right? So if in other words we can say mod x is, yes, it can be. When the condition is that x is 0. So again we have to do like this. Do not consider x square as positive. Just say x square, we know it is positive or equal to 0. Now if I'm saying minus of x square, as per the mod x, it cannot be negative. So x square cannot be positive here. So it means if they have given, for example, one condition I can write here. If I am saying mod x is equal to minus x square, then x has to be 0 only. X cannot be positive. If x is positive, this will be negative. X is negative, then also this will be negative only. So we can say x has to be 0 in that case. Remember like this, if mod x is equal to minus x, they have given the value of x is less than equal to 0. If mod x is equal to x, then the value of x is more than equal to 0. If mod x is equal to minus x square, then x is equal to 0. Similarly, if they have given mod x is more than x, then what can we say? Tell me. Then x has to be negative only. It cannot be 0. It cannot be positive. If you are in confusion, you can just take the value. See, if x is 0, suppose, then both will be equal. It cannot be more. If x is positive, then also both will be equal. It cannot be more. When x is negative, this will be negative and this will be positive. So in that case, mod x is more than x. So this is correct. This way you have to understand. Okay, this is very important to learn. Thank you.